Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sam from YouTube. I would like to start off today's video by thanking y'all for 400 subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and join the family. It's free. Today's video is all about the Bluedio T-elf. Bluedio has claimed these earbuds are comparable to the Samsung Galaxy earbuds in terms of build quality and audio quality. However, we're gonna judge that in this video. The box of this device holds the basic details and contents on the box. We can also see the picture of the earbuds here. Open the box. We're welcome to the various sections in which it's packaged, with the case in which the earbuds reside at the top of the box and the manual alongside the replaceable buds on the bottom. This is a nice move from Bluedio, providing a lot of buds with different colors in case the initial buds go missing, and also to meet the fashionable taste of their consumers. Let's get into the main agenda of today. The device is stored in a plastic case which serves as a carrier, and also a charger which gives an additional 12 hours of the initial 4 hours of runtime. Its case uses a USB Type-C charger and possesses a little notification LED light to show you when it's active or not. So guys, here is the device. It's got a less classy build to that of the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Well, it's kind of expected due to the price difference between the Galaxy earbuds and these. It's got a plastic build and some metallic dots it uses to charge on the bottom. Going on to use the device, you have to long press the side buttons for about 5 seconds, after which you will hear a confirmational voice that says power on. Connecting the device, basically you can connect it to any device that supports Bluetooth. It's kind of quick, it connects in less than 5 seconds. So I used the device for about a day and realized the audio quality is quite amazing. Went for 16,000 naira, it's amazing, not close to the Samsung Galaxy earbuds as they say it is, but it's quite okay. Using the device on a regular day would get you loads of attention. I mean, I got called by a number of people asking me where I got it from, how much I got it for, and asking me if I could get it for them. That's to say the design is quite good and at a portable size. Portability is the key in making this wireless earbuds or earpods. You can see the difference between an earpod, that is an Apple earpod, and a lookalike, that is the TWS i7S. You can check out more on that device. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. As I went around to use the device, as you can see this in my ear, it has this lustrous design, made of plastic. Still doesn't make a lot of noise, but it's still okay, and it fits the ear perfectly. We have different buds in the pack to fit different ear sizes. I have extremely huge ears, so I had to change my earbuds to something that could fit my ears. So that'll be all for today guys. If you're interested in getting this device, I will leave a link in the description below to where you can get it. Do let me know what y'all think about the device in the comment section below, and feel free to subscribe and tap on the notifications icon. Don't forget to share this video on your various social media platforms to that lucky friend you think is gonna want to get this great budget earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. Till next time, peace.